number 8 is a difference of perfect cubes. So I need to know my difference of cubes formula. A cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And so I'm going to identify what my a value and my b values are. So the cube root of x to the 6a is x to the 2a. Because if I multiplied, this is just showing you how you get that. If I multiplied x to the 2a times x to the 2a times x to the 2a, remember, we multiply powers with the same base, we add the exponent. So 2a plus 2a plus 2a would give me that x to the 6a. So because I multiplied 3 times, then that means that's the cube root. And so same thing here with y to the 3b. The cube root of that would be y to the b. And I'm just plugging into the formula. So this becomes x to the 2a minus y to the b times x to the 2a squared. Okay, so this little scratch work. X to the 2a is my a value, but I need to square that. If I have a power raised to a power, then we multiply. This becomes x to the 4a plus a times b would be x to the 2a y to the b, and then b squared would be y to the b to the second, which would give me y to the 2b. How we multiply again. And so that would be my answer for 8. 9 is very similar as far as we're going to be using that same formula. The problem is 5 and 40 are not perfect cubes. So remember, the first thing we always do when we are factoring is I first want to ask, is there a GCF? And there is. They both have a factor of 5. So the first thing I need to do here is GCF the 5, which gives me x to the 3rd minus 8z to the 6th. Now then, hopefully you see this is a perfect cube and 8z squared is a perfect cube. So you would take this part and use the formula and just make sure you keep the 5 out front in your final answer.